and welcome to today's train rise video. We'll be riding aboard one of MerseyRail's 507-508 PEP units. Today we are riding from Lime Street down to Hamilton Square. These units are being replaced by the new class 777. I don't know how long these units have got left, but yeah, hopefully most of them can get preserved, but I've seen some have gone to scrap. A little issue I've noticed, there's no table on the bay of 4, but another bigger issue, if there's 4 people sat there, leg room looks like it'll get very tight. I don't think there's enough room for the bay of 4, and hopefully on the new 777 units there's more space. I believe they've got tables too. It's so loud in the carriages, but I think it's quite retro. Because at the end of the day, we're going to electric trains, like really new electric, quiet improvement. But now with these like older trains, because the class 507, 508 units are now over 40 years old. So that means they're louder, they're not quite as technically advanced, which I think is really good. And because of that, it makes them louder, which I think is really good. Time for a seat test. They look really hard, these seats, but they're not actually that hard. They got a little bit of padding, but they've not got much, but they've definitely got more than the IET. Even better, that when the train departs, you know, the guard signal buzzer is actually a bell noise on this train. That's how old they are. Since these trains are over 40 years old, there's no air conditioning. You've got to get all your air and ventilation in through a window, which you can open, which is really cool. And another cool feature is that you've got handles on the door to pull on. Not very common nowadays on trains. Like I said, the seats may not be the comfiest, but the pattern on the seats are really cool.
This train is for West Kirby. The next station is Hamilton Square. Next station.
The new class 777 is starting to roll in now. Again, they're upgrades of these trains over modern features. So I definitely recommend you ride the 507, 508 with MerseyRail while you can, because we've not got very long left. I don't know how long, but yeah. So yeah, let's get into the review. So firstly, to start off with, the amazing features of these trains, because they're over 40 years old. The fact you've got a door handle to get between carriages, and you've got to open the windows, and you've got a bell as the guard buzzer. 2, the seat patterns, and thus the atmosphere and look on the interior of the train is really good, so it makes it really nice. These trains are very loud, but I think it's quite nice. There's not many trains are like this anymore, this loud. And also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And also, try and ride these trains while you can. And maybe when you're in Merseyside, ride the new trains. See ya!